Are you also searching for ways to get free Netflix? Well, worry not, your search ends today. Today I'll be sharing you ways with which you can access Netflix for completely free in the year 2025. So, what are we waiting for? Let us straightly dive into the video. As you can see, this is my Netflix account and I got this Netflix account for completely free. And in this video I'll be showing you the exact steps which I did in order to get a free Netflix account. As you all know, Netflix does not offer a free trial anymore. I guess it stopped offering free trials in the year 2023. You just go to Google and search for Netflix free trial, all we get is this page. No matter which country we choose in this pop-up, we are always going to get to this page. Netflix does not offer free trials. See, for example, now I'm in India. If I choose Afghanistan, still the page is going to say us the same answer, no matter which account or which thing, which plan, which country you choose. So you must be wondering, how did I get it? Well, first of all, I'll show you the exact steps which I got now. First of all you got to do is create a Netflix account from a new email. So in order to do that without getting an OTP is to go to Google and search for Netflix sign up. Once you search for Netflix sign up, you will arrive to this page. Here, just click on this. If you're in India, there is one more disadvantage. In India, there are no gift cards, so the plan wouldn't work. So there are actually 4 steps in this plan. Let me show you. The first step would be to choose your mail. The second step would be to enter your password. The third step, you would be prompted to choose your plan. In here, this trick actually works with the mobile and the basic plan. The account which I showed you previously had a basic plan, which costs around $199 per month. For the standard and premium, right now that trick doesn't work. So if you are okay with basic, you can continue watching the video. But if you want standard or premium, then you can take a look at the other videos. Now, first of all, choose your plan as basic or mobile, your wish. Now I'm going to choose basic plan. I'm going to click on next. Once you click on next, we'll be given to this page. This page is the page where we actually pay for the Netflix account. Here we have 2 options if we are in India. To say the credit card or you pay auto pay. But we are not going to go with either of those plans. This is where the trick kicks in. We're going to actually choose a way where Netflix is given to us for free. That is, we activate our subscription for free. So the trick which I was referring to before is the Netflix collaboration trick. That is, Netflix has partnered with Jio, Airtel and quite a few other telecom and broadband services. So if you are going to recharge to them, what I mean is, if you already have a Jio SIM or Airtel SIM, or if you have a broadband connection, then instead of just recharging for the normal plan, you can just pay 100 more and get a faster internet connection along with Netflix included or bundled in your plan. So right now, if you are a Jio SIM user, there are 2 plans. One is 1799 and second one is 1299 plan. That is, both of these plans are valid for 3 months, that is 84 days, and as we can see, we get data along with it. In 1299 plan, we get 2 GB per day in true 5G speed, and in 1799 we get 3 GB per day in true 5G. That is, if you recharge for any one of these plans, we would get free Netflix along with unlimited 5G. As we can see, in the 1799 plan, Netflix basic subscription is included, and in the 1299 plan, Netflix mobile subscription is included. In case you chose Netflix basic subscription, like this account which I showed, I am actually paying 1799 for my internet for 3 months. I am using true 5G, so I get unlimited internet. My internet is not limited to 3 GB per day. So this is actually 2 birds in 1 stone. So I hope this video was useful and helpful to you. If you want more such tricks or tips, then make sure to click on the like button and the subscribe button and the bell button near to subscribe button if you want more such videos. It's me, Surya Prakash from Protech Genius, signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.